Iakynduh Seng Bhalang Nongialam niam lambat kiwe kiri rangba kibadon kajingkit kli ya kajing kenat kabadang shen harilum garo hapadang kiriulum bat kibam de riulum nakadaw jangka election sa GHADC haka arpo sa tarik leber kilalit ban Iakynduh ya ulat Jylla CH Vijaya Shankar ban pensengau syau baka scheduled tribe certificate kalong kabadon kam harilum garo nak benta ki ban yakun ni election sa GHADC ban jid ikinong mikmat sa kiyeng dorbar GHADC haba pentip syakilat pathai Khubor uteng sak gabel moment GSU President Ulaong kajingwan Iakynduh ya ulat kadai kabadon kambha ban pentip baka SD certificate kalong kabadon nong rembha bat kajing penjanai amendment ya ka rule 128A.
For what reason you have with the governor?
As you've seen, and you also know that there has been a disturbing situation going on in Garhwal regarding the participation of the non-tribals in the district council. You all know that one. So, as a matter of fact, we met the government for one point only, that the scheduled tribe certificate be made mandatory. It must be made mandatory for any participation for voting or contesting in the district council election. That is one of the point. Now another point is amending Rule 128. Actually, Rule 128 A. So we asked the governor that certain words should be inserted, just like indigenous scheduled tribe of Garhwal must be inserted in that particular rule, and another is this one, District Council Composition Executive Committee Chapter 1 General. Here for qualification for membership, again paragraph 8A, these words, indigenous scheduled tribe of Garhwal must be inserted so that non-tribals cannot vote in the District Council. So we talk about amending the para 12A also, that this discussion has been going on because we have a series of meetings with the KSU also, FKGJP here in Shillong also. So we have been asking for the amendment of the Para 12A because this Para 12A, the government of Meghalaya incessantly interferes in the district council rules through this Para 12A. So we talk with the governor whether there is a possibility to amend the Para 12A. So the governor has been his response has been quite positive. And the governor was talking about SIR also, whether SIR should be implemented before commencing with the district council elections. So these are the certain things we have discussed with the governor, and the governor said that the Honorable Chief Minister has met with the Honorable Governor also. So they have discussion regarding the some amendments in the rules, election rules, some amendments in the election rule, particularly the mandatory scheduled tribe certificate, which must be possessed by any person to contest or vote in the district council election. Brothers, my giant brothers, I'm very, very grateful to all the tribals, indigenous tribals of Northeast, because all of them have been calling me up and saying that we are together. Even my Khasi brothers, they said they will be fighting together with us also. If needed, I need to call upon them only, so they will be coming. So I'm very, very grateful. I'm very, very thankful. Thank you, my Khasi brothers. Thank you, my giant brothers and sisters. Thank you.
Yesterday, this council in a special session, they have passed a resolution and amending that 128. So what do you have to say on this?
Regarding the amendment of Rule 128, yes, that's what I've stated. Rule 128. I think they have not talked about amending the Rule 128 actually, but yes, in a way. So that's why I was saying indigenous scheduled tribe of Garhwal must be included in that amendment.